What does the ayah say about Jews and Christians? They say, we believe in some parts of the Torah and the gospel, and we reject some parts. One says, I believe in Musa, but I reject Isa. The other says, I believe in Isa, but I reject Muhammad. What does the Quran say? Believing in some parts is not enough. Baz in Arabic means a part. They say we reject some parts. Even if it is just one, the Quran says they are the true disbelievers. What does this mean? They also believe in some parts now, so they have even a tiny bit of faith. Allah says, you cannot say this. They are true disbelievers like Stalin. A person is a Muslim but denies one thing. If he says, I reject one, the Quran says he is a true disbeliever. Do not doubt it. But he attends Friday prayers, goes to Hajj and Umrah every year, yet denies one ruling of Sharia. Is this not in the Quran? It is. How can he be a Muslim? He is a true disbeliever. We have prepared a humiliating punishment for those disbelievers. For Muslims, there is also punishment, a threat for those who commit adultery or drink alcohol. But it is not humiliating. However, for disbelievers, it is humiliating. Why? They are dragged on their faces in hell. If a Muslim, even with a tiny bit of faith, if his faith saves him, even if he burns in hell, Allah does not drag him on his face. Why? Because faith has honor. He does not put a shackle on his neck. Faith has honor. He does not chain his feet. Faith has honor. But if he says, I reject even one, he is already a true disbeliever. We have prepared a humiliating punishment, because humiliating punishment is only for disbelievers. There will be Muslims who enter hell and burn for their sins. But there is no humiliating punishment, because humiliation is reserved for disbelievers.